Hello friends, myself Dr. Sudha Tripathi. Welcome to my channel Indian Homeo. As per modern medicine, depression is prolonged sadness over 2 to 3 weeks. Depression is as real as any physical disease, where one starts feeling sad, low, and hopeless. No matter how bad the depression is, one can come back to the normal life with disciplined life and homeopathy medicines. Never hesitate in visiting health expert if you feel depressed. According to WHO, 1 out of every 5 people in India may be suffering from depression. Depression can hit you at any stage of life and there is nothing to be ashamed of. One can overcome with depression with their will and determination. In this video, I'll share you how to come out of depression as soon as possible. Once you decide to self-help to come out of depression, follow the following tips. First tip is diet. Mood is affected by brain and brain by chemicals or hormones. Chemicals or hormones which are affected by the diet. Therefore, right nutrition, especially the micronutrients like almonds, apricot, walnut, cashew nuts, and other dry fruits, improves the level of happy hormones, namely serotonin, oxytocin, dopamine, and endorphins, that promotes positive feeling, happiness, and even love. Second is exercise. Exercise also releases endorphin, which helps feeling really good. Hence, regular walking and exercise is recommended when you feel low. Sleep is also very important in maintaining the mental health. Fourth important thing is to reduce stress. There are things that are out of our control, but certainly there are also few things that are in our control. Sometimes we focus on things that are neither urgent nor important. So we need to train ourselves to focus on urgent and important things. One can also take the expert's help to reduce stress. Next important tip to come out of depression is to educate yourself. Learn something new, keep your brain fertile. This can definitely elevate your self-esteem. Spend time with people with whom you feel comfortable or with whom you feel good to talk. Share your thoughts with them. Be compassionate and help others. Even simple things like cooking for someone you love elevates your mood. Nature. Most effective way to feel good is to be with nature. Spend some time in greenery. Grow green plants at home. Do things that you enjoy. This increases your hormones like dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphin that make you feel good. This good feeling gives optimism, energy, and higher focus. And most importantly is meditation. Meditation resets the mind by reducing the frustrated feeling, reducing the agitation. Meditation increases the serotonin level in the body, thus decreases the low feeling. One can meditate by simple breathing techniques. So if you are ready to self-help yourself, follow the above tips, you will certainly feel better. Still, if you feel depressed, don't delay in taking advice from an expert.
पहले तो आपको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू बोलते हैं। आपके वजह से, आपके विचार के वजह से हम मतलब कि गलत स्टेप लेने जा रहे थे, सुसाइड करने जा रहे थे, वहाँ से बैक किए और लाइफ को बहुत नॉर्मल जिए और नॉर्मल जीते जीते आज गजब का अचीवमेंट मिल रहा है और गजब का ट्रैक मिला है जहाँ से पैसा कोई बड़ा चीज़ नहीं है। और जो लाइबिलिटी मेरा 10 लाख का मेरे लिए पहाड़ लग रहा था, आपका एक वर्ड कि है तो है, लाइफ में चलते रहना है, वो तो सद ही जाएगा कि कोई अगर तगड़ा तो बोलिए मिलेगा। आपका ये छोटा सा वर्ड मतलब मेरा पहाड़ को भी धूल बना दिया और लाइफ को हम कंटिन्यू किए। आज गजब का सक्सेस के पाथ पे निकल चुके हैं और जहाँ से बैक करने का तो रास्ता नहीं है, कामयाबी जरूर मिलेगा। ये एकदम तय है, गारंटीड है। थैंक यू वेरी मच मैडम।